Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Ask Goodnotes AI in 2026. Want to get more out of your notes? The Ask AI feature in Goodnotes lets you interact with your notes like never before, so here's how to use it. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the application. You can download it from the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and make sure you log in with your account. After you do that, you're gonna open your new notebook by clicking on plus new if you don't have a notebook, and click on your notebook here. Click on a new notebook or select the other options if you want. Also, you have to select any text or notes. For example, I'm gonna write some text with my hand. Let's write here AI text. Let's write AI text. Now, you're gonna tap the Ask AI button, and the Ask AI button is the button with the star on it. You're gonna click on it, and an AI conversation will appear here. Now, as you can see, there's an error with my previous prompts. As you can see here, you're gonna click on here to proceed, and make sure to communicate with the AI so he can summarize, explain, and simplify. Now, ask Goodnotes AI to turn your notes into an interactive learning tool and use it to study faster and smarter. You can ask clear and specific questions and use it for studying, and combine it with handwriting notes for better results. Some cases it can read even the handwriting messy words like this random. I erased it here. He can read it. As you can see, the image shows a handwritten signature that appears to read random. So make sure to enter your notes. And that's it. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.